Hey! Why did DJI never get a long press on the shutter button, a two-stage button? I don't know. Holy smokes! Camera came on instant. That's amazing. DJI, why can you not tell us how the Insta Quick Snap works? Oh man, I had like a blackout for one full second. I guess that's how action cameras work, man. I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining me. I'm your how-to guy, and we're going to go get some wood, and we're going to go get some anchors because I misgrilled one the wrong way, and I gotta get some other supplies. I have to get some Miracle-Gro indoor potting mix just to have a bag. I can't see. That sun's blinding me in my eyes, man. Don't you just love dirty windows? It's like filming in 1080p. Oh, look. Time for some barbecue gas. I should have taken a wagon. Go get a wagon, Fish. Now you overexposed and correct. I needed some 3/8 anchors, just one. But I need like a dozen. They have none. And the last time I bought it was a month ago. You never stocked up, never replenished your stock. That's how you wallows, like DJI. Let's go to Home Depot. They're right next door. Just gonna go get one, call it a day. I gotta go to the furthest Home Depot, and they're gonna have the Loxons. But I tell you what, I'm just gonna take the old one out by hand. A little trick how to get them out. You need a bolt, a washer, pull them up. What a wasted time to come out, come early in the morning, first thing. Nobody's got stock. It just plainly sucks when you're overly populated with very little stock in the world. What a failed day today was. It's not failed yet because, like I said, I'm going to get that Loxon, the anchor, out. And that's not hard to do. So I got one that's on an angle. And I got the rod. I use a socket. I got a washer. I put two nuts so I could bring it down just a little. Then I'm going to take this, spin it down, and then I'm going to just simply crank this. So what's going to happen is pressure is going to go down on here, and it's going to suck the Loxon, I call it, the anchor up. I'm going to try to take this one out. At least I know I can get it out. That's how you get it Loxon out. See? Sometimes they come out, sometimes they don't. And I can reuse this. And the problem is, one of the holes is a little cockeyed and off. And I'm never perfect. But there you go. So now, I can at least re-drill a hole. Put this template on. I may be able to still salvage the Loxon. I'm able to get this on. Maybe I could bang this a little. I could persuade this one and then I could see what I can do.